Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change the page name of your Facebook page on your Facebook app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to change the page name of your Facebook page, let's open up our preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in facebook.com, because we'll be first required to log into our Facebook account. And you can see over here my computer has already auto-filled my email and my password over here. And after entering your password and your email, click on login. But if you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password to go through a procedure to reset your password. Now with that being said, let's click on login. And after you have logged into your account on facebook.com, check on the left side of your screen, where as you can see your name, your friends, and after that there is the pages option available over here. Tap on pages, click on pages, and after clicking on pages you'll be redirected to this interface where you can see all of your pages over here. Now to change the page name of a page, let's choose a page over here. And after that, on this interface, after choosing our page, you can see this interface appear again. On the left side there are all these options. Scroll down and there is the settings option available over here, or the edit page info. Click on edit page info just above the settings. And after that, you can see under the general category there is the page name of our Facebook page. And if you want to change your Facebook page name, change this name over here. And after that, if you want to change a username on your page, change this name over here. And after changing your name over here, it will be automatically saved on the Facebook's database. And there, guys, this is how you change your page name on your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.